Next up, we have a fun dollar store project. This is wicker lantern lights, and all I did for this project was get some of these little wicker balls from the dollar store, and I went ahead and I spray painted them first with a brass spray paint. Now you could spray paint this however you'd like to, but I thought the brass would be nice because it kind of would make them look like metallized objects on top of your light strand in the end. So I went ahead and sprayed these with a brass spray paint, and once I was finished with that, I went ahead and grabbed my fairy light strand. Now the best way to put this through these wicker balls is honestly to look for larger holes in the wicker. That way you can kind of string it through like a needle and thread. So I went ahead and I strung through my light strand, and I made sure that a light was positioned right in the center of each wicker ball. And once the light was in position, I went ahead and added a little bit of hot glue onto either side to hold it into place, and that finishes off your little fairy light strand.